Hey guys, welcome back. Of course, I'm here with another video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all of the support that you've given me. I really cannot begin to explain how you guys make me feel. I'm so appreciative that I'm able to help you improve your skills. I'm just appreciative. Like, that makes me feel good that you guys are actually paying attention and you're actually getting the results that you've been looking for. And today I'm here with another review video for this hair company. What I have is, this is a lace front wig. I have a 16-inch lace front wig. I always tell y'all this, just stay tuned and watch me do what I do. I'm not too sure yet how I'm gonna style it, but what we're not doing today, we're not bleaching any knots at all. Just so I can show y'all that you don't have to bleach your knots in order for your install to look flawless. So, you ready? Let me know if you're ready. The main key factor in order for you to have an install that's flawless without bleaching your knots, you must have very, very small and undetectable knots. Do you see how small these knots are? You can barely see them. But anywho, just watch me work. Ooh, yes, honey. Blend that cap with that face. Blend that cap with that face. Yes, honey, yes. Slay him to the gods. And I did a new makeup routine today. Let me know. How does it look? Because it literally took me like 10 minutes to do my full face. And I'm about to start doing this routine more often. Do y'all want to see it? If y'all want to see it, let me know. Okay. Now that you have got your cap blended, you guys already know this routine. And if you're new to my channel, feel free to go check out my other videos and feel free to hit the subscribe button and continue with us along this journey to success and to slayage. But yes, this wig is already pre-plucked. The makeup that I'm using today is Maybelline Fit Me. This is the same makeup that I have on my face today as well. I'm just brushing out my hair just to see how long the wig is roughly, and just to brainstorm some ideas in my head as I install this wig, because I really don't know which style I'm doing yet. I'm just going with the flow. Ooh, baby. Look how smooth that thing going on there. How easy that is. This is my first time using this. Not my first time using Bold Hold, but my first time using this new Bold Hold Active. And I'm just loving the fact that this thing is so easy to put on. Like, oh, I could put me some lip gloss. Ooh, my lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. All the hoes be jocking. They mad because they lace is lifting up at the school. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? That thing turned clear just that fast. Period. I'm gonna put one more layer. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? I said my YouTube is popping. My YouTube is cool. All these mother suckers wanna know what I do. How I do. How you do that? Just watch my channel, girl, so you can slay that. But nah, let's get into this lace though. You're just gonna bring your little lace up on it. Then tap, tap, tap it on in, baby. Tap, tap, tap it on in. I hope you're following along and paying attention. By the way, Bold Hold is the only glue that I use. I used to use another brand called Walker Tape, but it's just so harsh and the chemicals inside of it ate up my edges. So Bold Hold is a better alternative, way better alternative. It's not a second option. It's my first option ever. I'm literally just winging it. I don't know which style I was going to do. I'm just going with the flow and letting things create themselves. This is how you secure the back of your wig. And I'm just going to continue with the style. It looks like I'm going to go with the half up, half down. Just a short little natural look. Stay tuned for the ending results, because I don't even know how it's going to turn out. But y'all stay tuned. Okay, this is coming out real cute or whatever. What y'all say? All right, that's it. I'm actually really loving this. This might be my new favorite hairstyle. It's so quick, it's simple, it's affordable, and easy to do. And it looks really cute, by the way. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment, a like, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye-bye.